a great choice today with the 2020 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, heated steering wheel, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, compass, heated front seats, CD player, rear window defroster, power moonroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.